Hello, this is Chris from Hotshot Oven and Kiln, and this is our second video on programming the Novus controller. This time we're going to be programming the Novus controller from the free app, which is downloadable. The app is Quicktune, and again, that is a free app for you to download. And I'm going to turn this over to Isaiah, and he's going to show you how to do the app and connect the app to your oven.
So the first thing you want to do, there's 4 different options. The most important part is that we use the configuration option, which will pull all the calibrated info out of the oven that you're currently using. If we would just do open configuration, you're kind of starting with a clean slate, whereas if we pull the existing program out, we just have to make some edits. So if we hit configuration, it searches for ovens that are in range. So in this case, we're programming on a HS16G. So I'll click that, and it's going to connect and upload all that information into the app. So once we're here, it shows on these tabs across the top what it's currently operating at. And if we scroll across, most of these are factory settings, which is kind of the controls of the oven itself, which we don't want to mess with. But if we scroll all the way over to do the programming, we're going to scroll over to the Programs tab, and then from here we can edit the program data. So if we can come down here, we can change the program number that we want to edit. It's currently at program 2. I can change that. Let's say we want to make it program number 3. Here's where we'd set our tolerance for how closely the oven follows the program. So we can set that to 10.
So that's 10 degrees.
10 degrees, correct. And then we get right into the program itself. So set point 0 should be roughly ambient temperature, or it's the first set point of the oven, so we will set that to 70 degrees. And then it asks you, do we want an alarm there? No, we don't. How long do we want the segment to go? So from this case, we're going from room temperature up to 1,000 degrees. That we calculated out that will take 139 minutes. So PT1 we'll set to 139. And then PSP1 will be the set point we're trying to get to. So this would be 1,000. We don't want an alarm still. Now we want to hold at that 1,000 degrees for 15 minutes. So PT2, change to 15. And then we want to hold at that 1,000 degrees. So we'll enter that one more time. So we're going from 1,000 degrees to 1,000 degrees for 15 minutes. Still don't want an alarm. Our next ramp, we're going from 1,000 to 1,460. And at 900 degrees per hour, that will take us 30 minutes. So our next set point will be 1460. We don't want an alarm yet. We want to hold at that 1460 for 20 minutes. We're still at 1460, so our set point temperature is going to be the same. For number 5, we're going to go from 1460. Now we're going to go down to 960 degrees. And that's going to take another 30 minutes. So we'll change our duration to 30. And this we're going to go down to 960. Still no alarm. We're going to hold at 960 for 60 minutes. So 960 to 960 over 60 minutes. From there we're going to ramp down to 800 at 200 degrees per hour, so that comes out to 48 minutes. Our set point should be 800 degrees here. no alarm. And now we want to just end the program after this, so we can set all these other ones to 0. With the exception of at segment 9, we're going to add an alarm. That'll tell us that the program is all done. 0, and 0. And then program link, we don't want to repeat anything there, so we're just going to set that to 0. So once we have our program all done, now we want to send this to the oven, and we just do that at the bottom of the screen. There's send to device. It's going to connect. You'll see the controller on the oven should connect. You'll see a little Bluetooth logo on there in the corner. So now if we wanted to run that program, we can short press the P button here. We did the program 3, so we're going to change that to program 3. Run yes. Now it should start running program number 3.
So that's how you program from the Quicktunes app on the Hotshot Ovens Novus controller. Thank you for tuning in. Like and follow us for more educational videos. Have a great day.